Hello students. So in this video we'll study about structure of human egg, or you can say structure of ovum. So when we are saying about, or when we are talking about ovum, so here it represents the secondary oocyte. So जेतबेले आम ovum विषय कहूचे किंबा egg कहूचे, that means we are referring to secondary oocyte. Is it clear? So the secondary oocyte is released from the ovary by the process of ovulation. Next, so this is the structure of your secondary oocyte, or you can say oocyte ovum. So when you see the structure, so this is the center part, this is the nucleus containing nucleoid, and this is the nucleus. So the cytoplasm of the egg is called as your ooplasm. So the cytoplasm of ovum is called as ooplasm, and when the nucleus absorbs the cytoplasm and gets swells, so that is termed as your germinal vesicle or nuclear sap. The nuclear sap increases inside the nucleus by gaining or by taking cytoplasm from the cell. So that forms the germinal vesicle, or that is termed as your germinal vesicle. So this is your, will move from inside to outside. So this structure is your nucleus, and it is surrounded by this part within this green boundary. A green boundary bhitar part, this entire part is called as your ooplasm. Ooplasm is the cytoplasm of your ovum. Next, peripheral part of ooplasm जो देखिबा. So this is your ooplasm peripheral part. ये जो black dotted रे मु show करछि. So this peripheral part contains your cortical granules and different microvilli. So this dotted part which I have shown, this contain cortical granules and microvilli. So microvilli केमती form होइछि by the finger like projections formation from the plasma membrane. So this green line or green covering is called as your vitelline membrane or plasma membrane. So the cytoplasm is covered by, or the cell is covered by plasma membrane or vitelline membrane. So closer to the vitelline membrane we will have, or closer to the plasma membrane, cortical granules and microvilli is present. Microvilli ro kamo kono? It transports substances into the egg and out of the egg cytoplasm. So this microvilli, this will be present in this part lining the plasma membrane. So microvilli will allow the, or it will help in transport of material into the ooplasm or into the cytoplasm and out of the cytoplasm. The next layer, so this green layer is called as your plasma membrane, and the next layer, this black one, is called as your zona pellucida. Okay, this layer is called as your zona pellucida. So this zona pellucida is secreted by the surrounding follicular cells, and these follicular cells or zona pellucida is surrounded by a number of follicular cells that is called as your corona radiata. Is it clear, everyone? And in between the zona pellucida and plasma membrane, this space is called as your perivitelline space. So this space is called as your perivitelline space. The space or the narrow gap in between the zona pellucida, this is the zona pellucida. So the narrow gap between the zona pellucida and the plasma membrane, this gap is called as your perivitelline space. Next to the perivitelline space is the zona pellucida layer. This layer is secreted by the follicular cells, and zona pellucida is the non-cellular layer. Non-cellular layer secreted by the follicular cells. Next, surrounding to this zona pellucida is the cellular layer. Cells are present. This is the cellular layer, and this is called as the corona radiata. Okay. So this is the corona radiata. This corona radiata is made up of follicular cells, or these are the follicular cells. and this entire layer is called as your corona radiata. Next, in case of human being, the mature ovum or the female gamete, it is spherical or rounded in structure. So it is rounded in structure and it is non-motile. Next, the size of the ovum or the size of the egg in human being is 0.1 to 0.13 mm. Okay, next what we'll see. So during or when secondary oocyte is released from the ovary, so at that time polar body is also released with the secondary oocyte. So when ovulation occurs, when the Graafian follicle rupture to release the secondary oocyte and polar bodies. So the polar body, the side in which the polar body is present, that side is called as your animal pole, and the opposite side is called as your vegetal pole. Is it clear? The side or in which side the polar body is present, that side is called as your animal pole, and the opposite side is called as your vegetal pole. This animal pole contains small cells that divide rapidly. और एनिमल पोल साइड रे जो सेल्स देखो देखो पोलर बॉडी इठी एपट साइड अच्छी तेणु करके एनिमल पोल में एपट साइड लिखी along this direction. If polar body was here, then this side will be the animal pole. Okay, and the opposite side, so there opposite ठीक opposite side टाक आम कहबा vegetal pole. एनिमल पोल रे हमर कोन प्रेजेंट होची जो सेल्स जाक स्मॉल सेल्स जाक जो प्रेजेंट होची से माने बहुत शीघ्र डिवाइड करिवे, किंतु वेजिटल पोल आडे जो सेल्स जाक थाउचंती से माने बहुत स्लोली डिवाइड करिवे. नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट हमको कोन कहि परिबा द एनिमल पोल in towards the animal pole yolk concentration is less, और एनिमल पोल साइड रे योक कंसंट्रेशन कम अच्छी बिकॉज न्यूक्लियस रो अधिकांश पार्ट और मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस इज टुवर्ड्स द एनिमल पोल. सो द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ योर योक इज लेस टुवर्ड्स द एनिमल पोल साइड एंड द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ योक इज मोर टुवर्ड्स द वेजिटल पोल साइड. Next, animal hemisphere कौन? The hemisphere of the egg where animal pole is located. So जो हम आपको divide करीबा, so this is a rounded structure. If we divide like this, so sorry, if you divide like this, so this side is called as your animal hemisphere. This part is your animal hemisphere and this is your vegetal hemisphere. जो साइड एनिमल पोल अच्छी से हाफ टाक कह एनिमल हेमिस्फीयर आउ द अपोजिट हाफ इज कॉल्ड एज वेजिटल हेमिस्फीयर. So in which side? The side where animal pole is present, that side is called as your animal hemisphere, and the side where vegetal pole is present, that side is called as your vegetal hemisphere. Next point. Animal pole is the pigmented part, whereas vegetal pole is the non-pigmented area. So जदि हमें animal hemisphere देखिबा सेपट side, in that side you will see it is heavily pigmented, whereas vegetal pole remain unpigmented. So if I will show you the structure of the egg, so see, suppose this is the structure of, so this is the structure of the egg. So this side, this pigmented part is your animal pole, and this non-pigmented part is called as your vegetal pole. So animal pole and this is your vegetal pole. So see, animal pole कौन? The pole of the egg where yolk is least concentration. So if you see, जोठी कि योक कंसंट्रेशन कम अच्छी ताको कहजिबो से साइड टाको कहजिबो एनिमल पोल. जोपट साइड की योक कंसंट्रेशन अधिक अच्छी सेपट साइड को कहजिबो वेजिटल पोल. आ एनिमल पोल जोपट साइड अच्छी ताको कहजिबो एनिमल हेमिस्फीयर. वेजिटल पोल जोपट साइड अच्छी ताको कहजिबो वेजिटल हेमिस्फीयर. सी द सेम डायग्राम. देखो एपटे पोलर बॉडी अच्छी. सो दिस साइड इज योर एनिमल पोल. सो दिस इज योर पोलर बॉडी. And so this side is called as your animal pole. एंड तार ठीक अपोजिट साइड वेजिटल पोल कह। इज इट क्लियर नाउ? So this is about a structure of human egg.